up, everybody? It's your girl Desha, Desha's Life. Welcome to my channel once again. Look, I'm down here at the Waterside here in downtown Norfolk. I'm at the marina. You see that? It says marina. Welcome to the Waterside Marina. Let me flip this camera for y'all because I got something I want y'all to see. Way over there in yonder. Hold tight. Okay, y'all, welcome to Waterside Marina. Now I want to show y'all. Can y'all see that boat? Let me enlarge this. Can y'all see that boat? Do y'all see that boat? It is turning over, sinking, whatever you want to call it. Whoever owned that boat, or a yacht, or whatever it is, but I'm way on the other side. You need to come get your boat, because it's sinking. And look, it's beautiful out here. It is beautiful, beautiful out here. Some boats. Nice one right there. Can y'all see that? Let me shrink this down a little bit for y'all, so it won't be so close up. All right. Look. Got your office buildings. That's not one of the highest ones, or tallest ones, I should say. But look. You got people out here getting ready to do whatever they do. And it says it's private, under surveillance. But yeah, we right here by a shipyard as well. People are working on these ships, getting ready. They're doing whatever they're doing. There's some nice views right here. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that right there? We got our mermaid. If y'all have not seen, you will find these all over through the city of Norfolk. Some will be in Virginia Beach and Portsmouth if they so choose to buy one. But it belongs to Norfolk's, I should say, mermaid. Considered the mermaid city. But y'all see these boats? I guess some people live on them. Private yachts. See that sign? Private yachts. No border. Look. One day, we make this big money. And one day, we could live like that on a houseboat. Ain't gonna go that far. I hear some music. So we're gonna head back over that way. Let's walk. Let's see. I haven't taken y'all with me in a while. I haven't been out. Well, it's my second week back to work. Let me flip this camera. Hold tight. Okay, y'all. So you know, I don't be coming to the office. So I had to come to the office and do some training. Train some new supervisors. And so that's why I'm out and about. Let me show y'all these signs. Hold on, let me see. If y'all want to know how far, it says Norfolk Sister City Association. If you want to know which way to go, how many miles, there you go. Right there, got one that's hidden. Right here, Nova Scotia. All right, there's your directions. There's your directions. This here is Waterside, where they have restaurants and I don't know what's over there. That's another video for maybe another day this week, because my time is running out on my lunch break. So I have to make it back to the office. But here is where I'm walking. A little walkway thing right there can take you from this building here to the parking garage. And we got hotels. Got several down here. I think it's about 5 hotels down here actually. Down here in the Waterside district. I gotta pay attention, y'all. I wanna fall. But I don't know what's on this side here now, since they have redid it. I know they had Chipotle. See something called Blue Moon. It's probably a bar restaurant. I'm gonna have to take y'all in here on another day and walk around. We'll see what's in here. Waterside. All right, hold tight, y'all. Okay, y'all. That dark building right there in between, that's where I gotta get to. I wish it was just that one because it's straight ahead. Okay, let's cross the street. Ain't no cars coming. Every empty spot you see, they just building, building, building. There's a Bank of America building, hotel. Let's cross the street. I wonder what this is gonna be. Probably some condos or something. I wouldn't be surprised. Because they just, oh, another office building. Not like we don't have enough. Have enough of them down here. Let's see if this sign say gravity. Gravity on, I don't know what that means. Gravity on 400. But anyway, plenty of parking garages, Waterside. I have not. Have you ever rode them little scooters? I'm scared. I'm probably too old. I might break something on me. And they charge you by something. I don't know. Can you see that? I don't know what you gotta do. But I ain't doing it. Okay, y'all, it is pretty boring out here. It's not much to see. That's another Bank of America building. How many Bank of America buildings do y'all need down here? In a 3-block radius. People out here eating lunch or relaxing. Ouch, something itching me. Something like that. But we'll make our way on back. These buildings out here high. So okay, y'all, so we are steady strolling here, checking in the views. Told you to be careful where you walk, because clumsy like me, you'll fall. Alrighty, winding on down. Come down this way, you see a hot dog stand. Hot dog sausage. I haven't stopped and ate there yet. Not quite sure. It's one or the other. Might be both. But they got your chips, your drinks, everything right there for you. Hold tight. Okay. I made it to my building. Woohoo! Way up there. A fountain with no water running. They probably turned the water off because of the homeless. But that's a water fountain. Alrighty. Let's go. Yeah, stay tight.